Hello YouTube, today I'm having an unboxing from tmart.com. It's a very nice website from Hong Kong which have free shipping to all its items. It's a really good website and I want to thank them for sending this package for free. It was shipped on the 15th of November and I received it today, the 2nd of December. It was a really good time for shipping from Hong Kong to here in Cyprus. Here is the package. Here you can see a really nice logo. The goods appeal to the eyes as well as to the purse. So let's see what is inside. Here we have a UK style adapter for all the kind of wall jack, depends on your country, to UK style. It was about 250 bucks, pretty nice. Second, we have again a UK style adapter. This one was a bit cheaper. This is the cheaper one. I think these look best, but I think they pretty much work the same. And last we have these two items and a little leaflet with some items with the prices. You can see some pretty nice deals if you want to try them. For all the products I will have links in the description below, so check them if you are interested. This is a wall charger for Samsung Galaxy S, the first one, i900. It comes in this box. Here you can see it. USB. It works from 100 to 240 volts, so you won't have any problem. And if you want to see here, it's pretty nice. And here is the battery. It's again for the Samsung. And this set was together for about $6, if I am right, or less. You can check it down below. And this is the battery, looks good. It fit like this and you put it on the wall. I think they are all pretty good quality and I would definitely recommend this site for buying your goods. They have a great collection and they have many great deals. Thanks for watching. Please comment and rate and don't forget to subscribe.